सुप्रभातं, नमो नमः, नमो गुरुभ्यः। अद्य उदात्तादिभेदाः प्रत्येकं वर्णानां कथं भवन्ति इति पश्यामः। Today let us see specific letters and we will learn about the different categories of these letters. लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुद्याम् एवमस्ति, तदित्थम् आ इ उ ऋ एषां वर्णानां प्रत्येकमष्टादशभेदाः। पदच्छेदः तत् इत्थम् आ इ उ ऋ एषां वर्णानां प्रत्येकम् अष्टादशभेदाः. So it says about the categories of the letters A, E, U and R. All these four letters have the Hrasva, Dirgha and Pluta categories. So for these letters, as they having Hrasva, Dirgha and Pluta divisions, they have Ashtadasha Bhedaha. They have all the 18 types. So it is said as Tat Itham. We can roughly translate it like this. Then in this manner, as we consider the three different classification of vowel sounds into Hrasva, Dirgha, Pluta, and then into Udatta, Anudatta and Swarita, and then into Anunasika and Ananunasika. A, I, U, R esham varnanam pratyekam. For each of A, I, U and R letters, there are 18 types. Ashtadasha Bhedaha. 18 types are there. Then in this manner, for each of A, I, U and R letters, there are 18 types. And the classification is like this. The letters are written using the simples. You need not have to practice writing because it is not used in the ordinary language. It is only for grammatical texts and Vedic Samhitas. So just remember all these different categories and their names. That's all. So here are the different varieties of Akara is represented. I, U and R also have the same classification. And then for some letters, Hrasva variety is missing, and for the letter Il, the Dirgha type is not there. And it is said in the Siddhanta-Kaumudi text like this: Ilivarnasya dvadasha tasya dirghabhavat ejamapi dvadasha tasya tesham hrasvabhavat. Padachhedaha Ilivarnasya dvadasha. तस्य दीर्घाभावात्। इल् वर्णस्य, for the letter इल्, द्वादश. Dvadasha means 12. There are 12 types. And the reason is said here. Tasya dirgha bhavat. As it does not have a dirgha. So, the letter il does not have a dirgha. And as dirgha is missing, it only has dvadasha, 12 types. And for ejamapi dvadasha, for age is a pratyahara and it represents the letters A, O, I and AU. For these 4 letters, dvadasha, there are 12 types. And the reason is tesham hrasva bhavat, as they do not have hrasva. So this is the status of the letter il, A, O, I and AU. The classification of il is like this. As it does not have the dirgha sound, a total of 6 letters, 6 types of letters are missing. So it only has 12 types. And for A, O, I and AU, same thing happens. As it does not have hrasva letters, 6 types are missing and a total of 12 types are there for these letters too. So this is all about the classification, and let us conclude this class with the Vyakhyanam or commentary on the sutra Mukhanasika Vachano Anunasika. Mukhanasika Vachanaha Anunasikaha iti Dvipadam Sutram. 2 words are there. Mukhanasika Vachanaha Anunasika. Anena Sutrena Anunasika Sapnya Vidhiyate. With this sutra, the term Anunasika is defined. Then the meaning of the sutra, Mukhanasikaya Ucharyamanaha Varnaha Anunasika Sapnyaha Syat. Mukhasahita Nasikaya Ucharyamanaha Varnaha. A letter which is pronounced by nose along with mouth is termed as Anunasika. Then the example, Yatha, A, the letter A with a Anunasika. So this is all about the different 18 types of vowel sounds and about the sutra which defines Anunasika. Dhanyavadah.